Welcome back to Antidote Cards PH. Today we are taking a look at some online pickups and some of the scores we got from a local hobby break from the recent WWE Select 2023 hobby box. So just got shipped today. Let's get to cracking. Might want to start looking at the cards we got from the hobby break, because we don't have a lot of hits from here. We were randomized to the letter S. A lot of really good names to the letter S. Got Shawn Michaels, Seth Rollins, Stone Cold Steve Austin, Scott Hall. A lot of really great names, but unfortunately in the break we didn't get a lot of those good names. We did get a bunch of base cards, but not a lot of good parallels. So we are gonna be cracking this up now. There we go. Team bags. So a bunch of these are also some personal purchases. These are not obviously starting with the letter S. So we got Alexa Bliss, Cosmic out of 149. Bunch of base cards. Bunch of rookie cards of BFAB, part of Hit Row, Cosmic to 149, and another one to 49, a cubic parallel. Let's take a look at the base cards. These are an assorted bunch. Of course, one of the hottest factions in WWE right now, Judgment Day. A bunch of lift-off cards, die cuts from the Revolution set. Eddie Guerrero, RVD, who's now in AEW, by the way, and Kofi Kingston. And we got DX and NWO base cards. Really nice. Now we got the Revolution stuff out of the way, we can move on to our hits from the break. Stone Cold on the tricolor. Like I said, not a lot of great hits from this break, but we do have a Santos Escobar on the tricolor, Stone Cold base, concourse level, Sami Zayn, Sonya Deville, another Stone Cold. So these are just a lot of duplicates. Shelton Benjamin, Shawn Michaels. I already had a Shawn Michaels in my personal box break. Same one, premier level. We got a Solo Sikoa on the premiere as well. Nice one. And then we got the Sensations insert. I also have this one, although I do not have this one. Global Icons of Sami Zayn with the Canadian flag right behind him. In that pack, we scored a Sami Zayn blue premier level to 199, and then a Stan Hansen. First time I saw this in the break, I thought it was Stone Cold. I almost fainted, but it's not Stone Cold. It's Stan Cold, Steve Hansen, 235. We got a cowboy gimmick. One of the legends for sure, but not the auto we're looking for. If you can remember, we hit Bret Hart autograph 249. That is a great hit. That's a hit. We also have Stephanie McMahon ringside. This is just the base variation, and a silver one of it. That's a great one. That's a great picture of Stephanie on the throne with Triple H's sledgehammer. We also have a ringside of Shawn Michaels, Sensations insert, and a snapshots. So as far as that box break was concerned, not a lot of luck there. We didn't even get a Seth Rollins card. We did have a Solo Sikoa base card and a bunch of Sami Zayns, but not really the names we're looking for. Alright, let's move on to our online. So I ordered the whole Topps 2021 Allen & Ginter set from, I believe it's the Heritage set. I just like the look of these cards. So here it is. So we'll try to look at them one by one. AJ Styles, Alexa Bliss, Asuka. They are numbered. So there's AG3, Bailey, Becky Lynch, Big E, Charlotte Flair, Diesel, Drew McIntyre, Latino Heat, Eddie Guerrero, Kane, Kevin Owens, Mr. Perfect Kurt Hennig, Macho Man, oh yeah, $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase, Scott Hall, Razor Ramon, Rikishi, and of course right behind him, the Tribal Chief, Roman Reigns. We also got Sasha Banks, not with the company anymore, Mercedes Moné in New Japan, and Seth Rollins when he was still Monday Night Messiah, I think. Shinsuke Nakamura, Typhoon, Psycho Sid, 123 Kid, also known as X-Pac, Bray Wyatt as The Fiend, The Miz, The Rock, Ultimate Warrior, Vader, and The Godfather. Those are 30 cards. Next item, we have Roman Reigns Sunburst Revolution, graded Gem Mint 10. That's a nice one. So this is actually my very first slab card, and I got it at a bargain. Really good price for a Roman Reigns card, no less. The way that shimmers is just hypnotizing. What have we here? Another slab, I believe. Of Little Miss Bliss. One of her rookie cards. I know this is not the rookie card, the real one, but it does say RC on there. I think this is part of the 2016 Topps Divas Revolution set. Her real rookie card is part of the 2015. There we go. Nice Alexa Bliss. It's only a 9 though, but still a great card. Goes straight to the PC for sure. We have Io Shirai with her original autograph from WWE Panini Revolution 2022. non-numbered, just the base autograph. Now she is the new Women's World Champion, or WWE Women's Champion. Big boy. And finally, we have here a fully loaded 2021 autograph of Io Shirai with an authentic chair relic. A chair relic, number 299. Let's have a closer look. Wow. I'm really glad I got these at before she won the championship. Oh, for sure the prices are gonna skyrocket from here on out. So there we go, guys. What do you think of this year's Select? What do you think of this year's Revolution? Leave us a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And follow me on Instagram, AntidoteCardsPH, for more. See you on the next one. Peace.